How to invite someone to like a page on Facebook. So first is you have to go to your Facebook application and open your account. And then to be able to invite someone is you have to go to the specific page. So let's say Facebook here. And if you're now on that page on the on Facebook, you just have to you will see these selections such as home, about, photos, videos, events, live, community, groups, posts, and many more. Just tap on community here and it will look like this. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will see invite friends. Now, if you tap on invite friends, you will now be able to invite specific people. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of friends here. Now, if you invite your friends here, they will basically come out here and just tap on invite them to like the page. And that is how you invite someone to like a page on Facebook. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Facebook application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.